But just taking a little walk to Woody's because I broke my shoes yesterday, my flip-flops, and it's essential to have flip-flops here. The ground is burning. Thankfully, I have sandals, but I like to have something really quick and easy to just slip on. So hopefully Woody's has flip-flops, and I also want to get noodles. I can't imagine Luna's feet. Like, I wonder if they burn. I mean, yeah, look, she's like kind of picking it up a little bit, so they probably do burn. So probably a good reason to like start running. Look at this. This area right here is probably, all right, let's just run so that she doesn't have to, because she doesn't have shoes. Luna doesn't have shoes. How do you protect your dog's paws from really hot pavement? How do you do that? I don't understand that. Look, she's walking herself. You're a good girl, Luna. She's a really good girl. She's the best. She's literally my best friend. Well, maybe I'll take you inside Woody's. And I'm gonna leave her out here. She's not allowed in the grocery store. This is a grocery store, kind of. Let's. Okay, we made it. They closed at 3 today. Let's take a look around. She'll be fine for a minute. Hi. So over here, they have bread. That's good to know. All these cooler drinks. Bunch of drinks. They have like some things that you may find at Eldon's, but they definitely don't have everything. But let's see if they have. Oh, I didn't know they had gift bags. That's really cute. So they have like cleaning stuff. Oh, good, flip-flop. These are cute. I actually really like these. Wow, imagine that. Look how easy that was. What size are they? 39. I don't really know what that means. And they're only 90 lempiras, which is less than $4. So that's great. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, my bad. I feel like these are all the same size. So if they just... I have pretty decently big feet. So I'll just get these. They probably work. I'm a size... Oh, they're a large. I'm a size 8. So look at, they have little vases or some little decorations. Trash bags, brooms, mats, toilet cleaner. They have plates and containers, Tupperware. What is that? Party time. Hangers. Okay, that's good. I've never seen those. That must be like a new. Oh my god, adorable. I wish I knew they had these for when Jonah was here. Oh my god, and they have towels? That's good. Do you think these are beach towels or bath towels? Probably bath. I kind of need beach. But that's cool. They have little cute little, I don't really like the feeling, but laundry bag. So like little beach toys. That's good to know. What are these? Balls. This is cute. I like this. It's pretty. Okay. That's cool. There are a bunch of like things that you may not even think of until you come in and see it. Like the cable cord. So they've got like detergent and like feminine products and toilet paper and do they have Yes, paper towels right there, paper towels. And they have laundry detergent. Oh, dish soap. I have to get dish soap. I have to get dish soap. I don't know which one to get. Dish detergent. What's like a good flavor, guys? I mean, scent. What's a good scent? Let's just do original, just because. Because I don't know. So, yeah, it's definitely convenient to have. They have like light bulbs and stuff, insect repeller. But I also think that Eldon's is really worth going to at least once during your stay. Cereal, dry goods, oil, seasonings, breadcrumbs. You got boxed milk, cornflakes. You got jelly and peanut butter, and you got baking stuff, maple syrup, canned fruit, all of the spice, all of the sauces that you can think of. Sadly, they don't have the noodles that I wanted. The noodles that I want are these soy, and they're empty because I bought 15 last time. Yeah, they have like beans, pasta sauce. So, like all this. Mac and cheese, rice, spaghetti. I'm gonna ask before checkout because they have stuff in the front that they haven't put away yet. So, they might have the noodles that I want. Granola. Then you got like, oh, I need I need toothpaste. Let's get double explosion. Alright. Shaving cream, mouthwash, tea tree oil. Oh, leave-in conditioner, okay. Lotion, foot scrub. Yeah. I want to scrub my feet. I'm gonna do that today. To help soothe tired feet. Foot scrub, foot lotion. I'm gonna get the scrub because I have lotion. Okay, they have hair products, soap. Let's see. Shampoo, body wash, conditioner. Okay, they have coffee. This is like the snack area. Salsa, chips. I've been wanting chips because for my sandwiches, they've been missing chips. Oh, tea. Let's see. Crackers. I wonder if they have graham crackers. I don't see them. Cookies. So this. Oh, do they have Takis? They don't have Takis, but they have these, which kind of look like Takis. Should I get those? Those look like Takis. Maybe I'll just try a little bag. Get the ingredients. Okay. Oh, they have Takis. What's the difference between that bag and that bag? Just a different brand? I know I like Takis, but I kind of want to try them in chip form. Okay, we'll try them in chip form. Candy, bunch of candy. And then they have like medicine, which I want to get Pepto-Bismol for all of the units. Just for them to have. I don't know if they have that here. But yeah, so they have basic essentials, really. But if you want like extra things, you should check out Eldon's. And then, yeah, so that's pretty much it. I am going to ask if they have noodles and then head back home. Thanks for watching. Oh, and they have like school supplies and like nail polish and like ice cream. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. They have wrapping. I didn't know that. They have wrapping supplies and poster boards and if you're feeling like doing an art project, they have some art stuff. Okay, so that is our local little grocery store right just the next, like right next to the street down from us, if that makes sense. You won't miss it. Okay, ciao.